morning, children. As we have learnt previously, that is co-prime number and twin prime number. Now today we are going to learn how to factorize a number into its prime factors. Any number given, we have to factorize it into prime factors. Now, any composite number can be written as the product of prime factors. See, for example, here 36. Number 36 is given. This is a composite number. Now we'll factorize this. There are two methods, that is vertical factorization and horizontal factorization. So vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. Now this number 36, vertically we solve like this way. You have to write it like this way. Now this number you have to search for prime numbers. You have to take here only prime numbers. You know that prime numbers from 1 to 100. I have told you how to find out. I have taught you how to find out prime numbers. Prime number starts from 2, 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Now the smallest prime number is 2. We can start with the smallest one because this number is an even number. It is divisible by 2. So therefore start with 2. Write 2 here. 2 ones is 2. 1 is remaining. That means this one you carry here. So it is 16. So 2 8s are 16. It is just simple division, like 36 divided by 2. 2 ones is 2. Minus 1 is the remainder. Bring down this 6. Bring down 6. It is 16. 2 8s is 16. So 18 is the answer. This answer is written here. Instead of doing this long process, we do direct division here. It is division. So 2 ones is 2. 1 is remaining. Therefore 1 and 6 is 8. 1 and 6 is 16. 2 8s is 16. Now again divide this number. This is again divisible by 2. So 2 9s is 18. Together we take both the digits. 2 9s are 18. Now this 3 is this 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s is 9 because 3 is a prime number. Again this 3 is divisible by 3 itself. 3 ones. So keep on dividing like this way until we get here as 1. Now you see this 2, 2, 3, 3. These are prime numbers. So 36 is factorized as 2 into 2 into this 3 into 3. Now, same question 36. We'll factorize this number 36 by horizontal method. This is vertical method. Now horizontally when we do, see, 2 18s are, we already know 2 18s is 36. 2 18s is 36. From here only we can take crossways. 2 18s are 36. Now this is equal to this 2, you will write it as it is because it is a prime number, into, now factorize this 80. 2 9s is 80. From here crossways 2 9s are. 2 9s is 80. Now again this 9 we can factorize. So before that this 2 into 2 write it as it is, into 3 3s is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So these 2 2 3 3 they are all prime factors. Therefore, 36 is equal to prime factor of 36 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 as we wrote here. So this is the way we can factorize any composite number using prime numbers. These are all prime numbers here. So next example 2. Suppose I take a 48. Then vertically 48. This number is an even number. I can factorize it using 2. 2 2s is 4. 2 4s is 8. Or simple division also you can do if you don't know. 2 2s is 4 minus 0. Bring down 8. 2 4s is 8 minus 0. So 2 into 24. Now next. Again we can divide this by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 12s are 24. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 6 is 12. Now this 6 is again divisible by 2 prime number. 2 3 is 6. So this 3 itself is a prime number. So therefore 3 1s is 3. So this is the vertical way. Now we can arrange this only saying 48 is equal to as its prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 times 1 2 4 times of 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to as 48. Now, this only when we do it horizontally, 48 is equal to. Now, see from here itself we can take 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Next, this 2 you write as it is. Now, this 24 we can factorize. 2 12s is 24 equal to. These two prime numbers write it as it is. Now, this 12 we can factorize it as 2 6 is 12. Now, next step 2 into 2 into 2 write this as it is. Now 6 we can factorize it as 2 3s is 6. Now here all the numbers are prime. So therefore it is factorized into 48 is factorized into prime factors. So that 48 is equal to as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 48. Now example 3 I have taken 120, a 3-digit number. So 120 vertically. This is divisible by 2. So 2 6 is 12. This 0 bring down as it is. That means 2 6 is 120. This is divisible by again 2. 2 30s is 60. 2 3s are 6. 0 will come down as it is. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 15s is 30. So this 15 is divisible by 3, prime number 3. 3 5 is 15. 5 itself is a prime number, so 5 1s are 5. Therefore, 120 is equal to as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This only when we do it horizontally. Horizontal arrangement 120. This is equal to as. This way cross you take. 2 into 60 is equal to 120. Now this 60 can be factorized as 2 into 30 is 60. This is equal to as 2 into 2 as it is. Now this 30 is factorized as 2 into 15 is 30. This again 2 into 2 into 2 will remain as it is. 15 can be factorized as 3 5 is 50. So we got all the factors as prime numbers. Therefore 120 is equal to prime factor of 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Another example, example 4. Suppose 725. 725 vertical arrangement. Now, as the digit 5 is there in the units place, this number is divisible by 5. Or we can see test of divisibilities. You have learned 6th standard test of divisibilities. This number is not divisible by 2. Try to add the digits. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 and plus 5 is 14. So this is 14 is not divisible by 3. That means it is not divisible by prime number 2. It is not divisible by prime number 3. So we will take the next prime number 5. So directly divided by prime number 5. 5 ones is 5. 5, 6, 7. 2 is left. This 2 and 2 it is 22. So 5 fours is 20. 21, 22. 2 is left. So now this 2 and this 5 is 25. So 5 5s is 25. Or if you don't know this, then you can directly divide and see. 5 ones is 5. Simple division. 2 is left. Bring down this 2. 5 fours is 20. Minus 2 is left. Bring down this 5. 5 5s is 25 minus 0. So therefore it is now 145. Now this number again in the unit place 5 is there. So I will divide it by 5 again. Prime number 5. So 14 you have to take first 14, 2 digit number. 5 2s is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 is remaining. So 5 9s is 45. Now you can see that 29 itself is a prime number. So 29 ones is 29. So therefore the vertical arrangement, horizontal arrangement in this way. 725 is equal to prime factor as 5 into 5 into 29. This only when we do it by horizontal arrangement. 725. This is equal to as. You can take cross in this way. 5 into 145 is equal to 725. Now equal to this 5 you write it as it is. This you can 145 you factorize it as 5 into 29. 5 into 29. So we got the factors here. Therefore 725 is equal to 5 into 5 into 29. So in this way we have to find the prime factors of a given number by the vertical arrangement and by the horizontal arrangement.